Hi guys, it's Danny at Lancaster Automart. Here we are at our site, and today is a lovely day for a change, along with our partners at Lancaster Volkswagen. And we have for you the 2019 Vauxhall Grandland Business Edition 1.2 petrol, 6-speed manual transmission, along with the roof rails in silver and solid black, and alloys to boot. Great car to drive. If there's anything you'd like to know about this Grandland, just give us a call or visit us online, or pop down to the showroom and we'll give you a look round. You can take the keys with you, we'll take it out for a spin. So you've got leather and cloth trim all the way through. Or you can contact us and ask for a personal video tour. And then if there's anything specific you want to have a look at, we're only too happy to help. Or like I say, pop down and see us, take it for a test drive, or visit us online. There'll be a video upline and there'll be pictures also. Cheers guys.